What is good? We just got done with, mic's good, I think, with Monday run, 11 miles in the books. Was not planning on running today, but I jumped in with somebody on their first run of their build that they're starting up, so that was fun. Going to make some dinner and get some work done just around the house and finish some coaching stuff. But other than that, that's a wrap for Monday. And see ya tomorrow whenever I run. Okay, that is day number 2. It's Tuesday. 11 miles again. And again, it'll be somewhere in the realm. We're having a spindrift. This one is grape. I typically drink the pineapple, but I'm out. And I also drink all my LaCroix. So it's just down to this spindrift. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go do a workout, and then probably take Thursday off, and then I'll run Friday, and then a little bit on Saturday, and then we've got a race on Sunday. It's just it's actually 5.7 miles, which is so weird, but that's trails. The results from the last few years have actually been pretty decent, so it should be a, honest effort. It'll keep me honest with the pace. I'm not going to be able to slack off. And then something that's going to happen Saturday is I'm going back to watch my high school run regionals, so there will be probably some clips of that just to see how they do, and then some runs back, on the home turf, just typical back roads, gravel stuff, so that'll be fun. But it's the end of today. I'm going to do my lifts and then call it a day. Probably have dinner, and that's all the rest I've got planned. Drink as many spindrifts as I can as well, so. Dinner is finished. Just got some pasta. We're gonna watch some Hans videos because it's usually all I watch on YouTube. And then we're just gonna go to bed. Try to wake up around, I don't know, 5:30 or 6, and then do it all over again. Alrighty, so it is potentially a day off, which means we're doing laundry and sipping a lot of coffee. I'm undecided if I actually want to run today. I want to, but for purpose of training, I'm considering taking the day off, just because I really should have stuck to my Monday off, but I made an exception and went for a run with somebody for their first run of the build, but I ended up getting 11 miles that day, so, and I did 11 again yesterday, so I can either do something light today or just do nothing, but I'm definitely going to be fine getting mileage in this week. We also have the race on Sunday, so time to do some laundry. We had a ton of muffins left, so this is me about to eat all of them. Wish me luck. Just gonna throw this little snippet, but we are currently editing the video that you're watching. So I'm piecing together the first couple days so that, you know, as I go through them, I can just throw the footage in, edit just that day, so I don't have to do all of it at the end, and then at the very end I can go back through and clean it all up. But we are like 5 cups in, so getting it done. I'm just gonna document myself on this run because I might be dying. This is just my message to my family with Steven. Here's the water. So, if this makes it in the video, I'm not dead, but run is complete. So I wasn't gonna run today, but I got invited to, so we went to the coffee shop and then went for the run from there. As always, the run will be here somewhere. Felt good. It was super chilly and very windy. I'm sure the feels like, because of the wind, was probably in the 30s. It was quite cold. It's the first run this year that I've had to wear gloves, and was actually very thankful that I brought gloves. Now I'm going to make my food, get back to editing that video over there. Well, editing this video actually, and then editing a couple of shorts that will be going up before this video will, because this one will not be put up until maybe Saturday or Sunday. If it gets too long, I might release it beforehand, but most likely it'll be Saturday or Sunday. And then the race that is on Sunday will be in a separate video. It'll just have its own. So, run's done, and time to eat. Okay, so we are just going to take today off. Rest day Thursday. I'm at 30 miles for the week, just from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're going to do, I think, around 10 tomorrow. Maybe 10 again on Saturday. And then Sunday with the race will probably also end up being 10. So there's a good chance we'll get close to 60, maybe a little under, maybe a little over. I'm going to call this video here because Friday, Saturday, Sunday are all kind of separate from my normal weekly routine. And so Friday and Saturday will be Friday just running back home on back roads. Saturday is going to be my workout plus, plus the regional meet for my high school. That'll be a separate video because it's just going to be a lot of a lot of clips from the meet. And then Sunday is my race, so that'll be its own video. So just Monday to Thursday this week, but with a little bit of a lead into what the next video might look like. So it'll probably just be a good run on like gravel back roads, a potential workout, a regional high school cross country meet, and then my trail race. So hope you guys enjoyed. I took a lot of time editing, so hopefully it's good. If it's not, I need to retire or hire somebody. So see you guys in the next video.